Khao Yum is a southern Thai rice salad. Today we're making it with Nam Budu, a pungent special condiment from deep south. We start by making blue flower extract to cook the rice. Simply blend butterfly pea flowers with water, strain it in a fine muslin cloth, dilute with more water, and cook the rice in the rice cooker. Here we have blue rice, but this is optional. Now, the sauce that will bring everything together, Nam Budu. Simmer it with water and galangal, shallot, kaffir lime leaves, palm sugar, lemongrass. Bring everything to a boil and reduce it to a darker and glossy sauce. This is a different kind of fish sauce from southern Thailand, made by anchovies and salt, fermented for several months. Strain and remove the herbs. This sauce is packed with salty umami flavors. Set aside while you prepare other components that will add different textures and flavors. The usual ingredients for khao yum is lemongrass, thinly sliced, string bean or green bean, also thinly sliced, bean sprouts, remove the tails, grated coconut, toast until dry and golden brown in color. Then we have dried prawns, whisk them in a food processor or a spice grinder until fluffy. You don't have to add spicy chili, but highly recommend. And of course, we add red Thai chili today. Then we have young sour green mango. Shred into thin strands. I'm doing it Thai way here. You need to be friend with your knife. Then wild pepper leaves. Roll them up and slice. If you happen to have torched ginger flower, you should try to add it as well. Just use the tender petals in the center, slice thinly. Now to serve. Simply toss everything together, but let's make it a show for your guests. We have blue rice, brown rice, green bean, sour mango, dried prawn, bean sprouts, toasted coconut, pink pomelo. Separate them into little strands. This will add caviar effect. Julienne kaffir lime leaves, torched ginger flower, wild pepper leaves, lemongrass, crushed roasted peanuts, and chili. Then drizzle the magical Budu sauce all over, a squeeze of lime, and combine everything together. There you have it, Khao Yum Nam Budu, Southern Thai rice salad.